I found this TikTok museum in the Netherlands. Watch me try and solve a Rubik's Cube! Okay, so basically it's talking about the individual and teams and how you can show yourself on social media. We show a side of ourselves anyway. This is like multiple niches here, I think. Start here. Zingen, what's singen? Singer? To sing or to dance? Let's go and sing. Festival or concert? Concert. No, festival. The beauty of the brains. Okay, that's in English, no problem. Now, beauty or brains? Let's go for brains. And that means iced coffee or iced tea? Is coffee or iced tea? I don't know if the pronunciation is correct. Or go for the iced coffee. So, fitness or yoga? Well, I don't know. I really don't know. It's not my niche, right? So I don't know. I really don't know. What else? Perhaps I should have gone for the concert. I don't know, but what else can we? Okay, so let's say fitness, whatever. We go here, merkkleding, ja of nee, which means branded clothing, yes or no? No. So we go here, nee. And here it says, I don't know what this is. Turn me and let's see what it says. Get inspired. Now we'll see what this is because I don't know. I need to go to the camera. Let's see if I can put this here. So it's an Instagram link. Opening. Lily Hayes, dancer. Oh, he's a little pissed. Alright. So Instagram or TikTok, for example. I'd say both. Not either one. But anyway, so now I think we have to go on to the next screen. Photo inspiration. To get inspired, we'll start here. Have an TikTok account. I think that's what it's saying. We have a TikTok account, correct. Have you ever a TikTok created? Yes. Follow me on TikTok, please. Travel Malta culture. Is your outfit colorful? Well, not so much. And now we have extrovert or introvert. In the middle, perhaps. Anyway. Let's go for introvert. Let me see what it says here. Zen in tart. I don't know what that is. Let's translate. Fancy cake? Yes. Rory's fancy cake. Cake. And we see what we find here. We have another QR code. I presume that these are Instagram links, so let's follow them. Let's see what this brings up. Just a second. Amsterdam food guide. Oh, this is interesting. Amsterdam food guide. Okay, so but is it about food or about restaurants? Okay, so these are different restaurants you have here. Okay, they're posting about restaurants. That's interesting because I could perhaps go to these restaurants also. Um, yes, I don't know if I don't know if I'm supposed to keep these like put them back. Let's see what we have here. We have hashtag solve the cube. And you've got to solve the cube, I think. Okay, so let's try and see what I can do. It's not that easy. I remember I used to play this many tip one. To combine the colors together. Okay, so let's now try. I want to try do this Rubik's cube. I definitely wasn't an expert of this Rubik's cube when it came out eons ago, but anyway, it's not that easy. Of course, some people are experts. It's not that easy. There are algorithms you can use to do this. Computer algorithms. That's fun aspect also of it. You can do all sorts of combinations, but it's limited to what you can do. So yes, that's very interesting, you know, but to solve this just like that should not really. Some people probably can solve it quickly, and it's amazing how they do it. Let's see. Let's try to combine it. See what find. Might not be so. Okay. Orange and green on the same side. Not really. Green, no. Okay, green but not orange. Orange and green, it's well here. The wrong way, side. If I try the blue and green, now the orange and green, it's not really. It's all in the algorithm. I had one of these, so I don't know if I still have it. And this Rubik's cube, invented by, I think it was a Polish or Hungarian, but made him famous. Nobody will. I think. Rubik's cube.
May I Spain now?
You speak English? No? I don't speak Dutch, sorry. Hello, wait. Do you speak English? No, I'm here like you. I'm trying to solve this Rubik's Cube. You get something, but then of course, different. When you want one thing, the other. That's basically it. It's not what you give up soon. Let people use the other room or something. So,